Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Bomb Grillins. Today we're going to be doing a turkey, and I'm going to call it the Tamarack turkey because we're going to try to make the skin look just like bark. We've got our grill already heating up and we'll get everything put together. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to lather this bird up with some peanut oil. Kind of lather it all over that bird. Make sure you get every nook and cranny you can. Now for our seasonings. I've got the sweet heat and we're going to pair it with the garlic. So go ahead and hit that bird and make sure you get it all over it. We want it really thick. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna do the other side. Now we're gonna stuff this thing. Now we've got an onion, we've cut it in half. We've got a couple apples and we also have some garlic. So go ahead and just stuff that inside the turkey there. Just beef up this bird a little bit more. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna inject our turkey here with a little bit of butter, Frank's hot sauce, and some garlic in here. Okay, that turkey's all dressed up and ready for the smoke. So I've got the Po-Man smoker out there, and I've got the temperature around 275, 300 range. We're gonna try to keep it around there and slowly smoke this thing until we get that perfect internal temperature and that great looking bark. Okay, we are at the Po-Man grill and we've got some smoke rolling. So let's get our turkey inside there. Oh, perfect fit. Look at that. Just enough room. Get our probe. We'll put it right in there. All right, we're gonna close it up and we're gonna leave just a little gap so we can maintain that lower temperature. All right, that turkey is ready. So we've been cooking around 3 hours here, maybe a little more, I'm not sure. But we've got the internal temperature of about 165, maybe a little more. Perfect, that's what you need for your turkey. So let's pull it out and we'll check it out. Just what I wanted. And it smells amazing. I'm so excited to try this. So let's just do it. Let's just try it. Slice that off. Oh wow. I can definitely taste the sweet and spicy in that rub. And the smoke has penetrated this thing perfectly. I mean, it's really good. That was really good. The Po-Man grill did just fine. It held a good temperature. I wasn't sure about it, but it went just fine for 3 hours. I had to add some coals, I don't know, within a little while after I started, but that was okay. I mean, what do you expect after 3 hours of cooking? You're gonna need to add some coals, so it turned out fine though. The little grill's great. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bomb Grillins out!